In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link to another Sheets file in your cell here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So I have my example data right here, where I want to link a separate Google Sheets file to one of my cells or to one of my values right here. So this example data, we have the subject, the professor, and the classes. What I want to link to the classes right here would be the grades of the students this professor has. And I'm going to do that by simply tapping on that cell, then tapping on the insert tool here at the top and select link. Here we have the label, which is the values or the text that are within that cell. And on the second part, we have the URL. This is where we're going to put in our link. So how do we get our URL? Well, first, cancel this one. Tap on the check mark and tap on the back button. Now we're back to all of the files that we have on our Sheets app. And here's the file that I want to link to. If I tap on it, here are the students and their grades for that class. So if I wanted to link to this one, what I'm going to do is just going to go back. Here we have it, and tap on the ellipsis on the right side. Here you will see the option copy link. So that will copy the link to that file that we need to be able to link it to another cell in another file. So if I go back to my original Google Sheets file where I want to link that other file to, again, just tap on that cell. There you go. This is the cell where I want to link that other file. Tap on the insert button at the top and select link. Again, we have that label, and on the box below, we are going to have our URL. So this is where we're going to paste that URL. I have mine right here. If you don't see it, then you can just tap and hold and select your clipboard if you are an Android user. But once you have that copied, if you are using an iOS device, you can just simply paste and tap on save. And there we have it. Now we have a change on that cell right there, which is an underline, which indicates there's a link that is inserted onto this cell. If we tap on this, now we have the option of opening that file. If we tap on open, it will lead us to that file, and here we have it. We have the student names and their grades for that class. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can link to another file within a cell here in the Google Sheets mobile app. And if we tap on the X mark here at the top left corner, it will lead us back to our original data or to our original file. Now, if you're interested in learning on how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I have a full playlist that I'll be linking to with a card at the top right corner for you to click. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.